Welcome to Facts Booth. Top 10 creatures that prove superpowers actually exist in real life. Number 10, lyrebird. Some birds are known for being able to imitate various sounds, but this one can copy almost any sound: chainsaws, fire alarms, camera shutters, or even trains. A cool replacement for a talking parrot. Number 9, naked mole rat. The naked mole rat, Heterocephalus glabra, also known as the sand puppy, is a burrowing rodent native to parts of East Africa. The skin of these rodents doesn't have the substance responsible in mammals for sending pain signals to the central nervous system. As a result, naked mole rats feel no pain. This rat is also known for an extremely high resistance to cancer. The naked mole rat is also of interest because it is extraordinarily long-lived for a rodent of its size, up to 32 years, and holds the record for the longest living rodent. Number 8, tardigrade. These little animals are considered nature's toughest creatures as it is almost impossible to kill them. They can handle super extreme conditions. Temperatures from 458 degrees Fahrenheit, -272 degrees Celsius, to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, pressure of up to 40,000 kPa, enormously high radiation, and the vacuum of open space. They can go without food or water for more than 30 years. Number 7, hairy frog. This frog can break its own bones to grow claws, which are technically not true claws because they are made of bone, not keratin. Normally, each claw is resting inside the fingers. But if the frog is distressed or under attack, it can force knife-like sharp claws through the skin, breaking the bones. Just like Wolverine. Number 6, mantis shrimp. This shrimp has a very serious weapon: powerful, hammer-like claws, which are not only extremely sharp but can also accelerate with a speed of 53 miles per hour, 23 mph per second, from a standing start. Scientists have to keep them in thick plastic cages because some larger species are capable of smashing through a glass aquarium. Number 5, mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is able to impersonate other local species. They are capable not only of changing their skin color and texture in order to blend in with their environment but also copy the typical behavior and shape of various objects and animals. They are extremely intelligent and researchers believe they choose an animal to mimic based upon the types of predators that are in the area. They have a great memory, so they already have seen what is consuming what in their environment. By selecting an animal to mimic that predators around won't bother they ensure their own survival. Number 4, platypus. This unusual duck-billed, beaver-tailed, otter-footed animal is the only mammal that lays eggs instead of giving birth to live cubs. Platypuses have a sixth sense, electrolocatio, which allows them to sense electrical signals. They are able to detect and locate different levels and movements of an electrical field and avoid its source, such as a shark. Then it simply swims away before being spotted. Number 3, Cryocerae leaf beetle. This insect's larvae found the grossest way to defend themselves. They cover themselves with their own excrement to avoid being eaten. So much for a superpower. Many chrysomelids, leaf beetles, create fecal shields, depositing their feces on their backs. It's so prevalent, in fact, that the study of fecal shields warrants its own term, apparently. The mother wasp lays her eggs directly inside the body of the host, the beetle larva. In this case, though, it looks like the parasitoid larva is floating in the fecal shield. The beetle is parasitized by one parasite. Just one. Number 2, flea. Their legs are perfect for jumping. A flea can jump up to 7 inches, 18 centimeters, in height and up to 13 inches, 33 centimeters, in length. Fleas store muscle energy in a pad of the elastic protein named rhizoli before releasing it rapidly, like a human using a bow and arrow. 6. Immediately before the jump, muscles contract and deform the rhizoli pad, slowly storing energy which can then be released extremely rapidly to power leg extension for propulsion. To prevent premature release of energy or motions of the leg, the flea employs a catch mechanism, which makes the flea the Olympian jumper of all known animals, relative to its body size. Number 1. Cordyceps, the zombie-making fungus. This mushroom has the most bizarre ability to grow inside other insects' bodies. Its spores attack an insect, a caterpillar, a spider, or an ant, replace the host's tissue with its own, and then it shoots stems that grow outside of the body. By this time, the insect's tissue is completely overwhelmed by the fungus. In other words, it's not an ant any longer but an ant-shaped cordyceps. Like an alien apocalypse. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to get the latest video updates from Facts Booth.